Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Zealy AI to make ads. In order to do so, here we are at Zealy.ai, and you can use the mobile app as well, but if you head over to the website, then here you will find that with Zealy, you can create UGC videos, static ads, and high selling campaigns just for you. And you can just take a closer look here and you can see some of the examples of things that people have created with Zealy. And here we can sign up. You can also click up here to get started. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and click get started. And it's asking which of these best describes you. Let's go ahead and say just starting. We'll go through the steps here. Let's go ahead and we'll go with Google. Digital products. We'll just say no for now. So we can actually generate a site for Zealy can actually generate a site. So that's pretty neat. I think we'll probably want an e-commerce store. Why not? Let's go ahead and select that. We'll say not yet. 70% of an ad success depends on the creatives. I didn't know that. You ever built ad creatives for your brand? Not yet. What do you find difficult about making creatives? Let's say design. Sure. I want to learn more. Do I like this? Yeah, I like that. Looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. That looks good too. These all look good. You can see our progress indicator here at the top. So we're making our way through. We're about halfway. Some testimonials here. We'll just pretend here we're starting from scratch. I do. I do. These all look great. Not yet. So a fair amount of questions here to get us started. And we just want to kind of click through and see if we can get to the end here. And we just want to pretend like we're brand new to this. Let's see here. We'll select e-commerce, US. We'll just stick to, well, we'll bump that up a little bit. Let's say 30 to 100. We're doing a bit better than that. How's your monthly order goal? 150 to 30, 300. We'll just stick with that. When do you want to reach your goal? 2 to 3 months. That sounds good. Great job. Here's our summary. Show your personal plan. So right now we're setting up a plan, creating a promotion plan for you, processing goals, just kind of going through all the steps here, preparing AI tools, generating a growth plan. Okay, our plan is ready. So we want to enter in our email. And I think we have already done this step. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in here real quick. Okay. So we're just trying to get to the point here to where we can get our plan. Okay, so here we go. We have our plan. So this is the situation here with Zealy. While it's great, sounds great, you can create ads, I usually like to test something out before I'm willing to pay some money for it. So this is something here that in order to do the 2-week trial, you are looking at $19.95, and that's actually on special right now because normally it's $42. You also have the 4-week plan or the 8-week plan. The 4-week plan is $29.95. The 8-week plan is $49.95. So in order to proceed, we have to get the subscription. So you can't test it out to see if it's something that you might be interested in using. Now, you could take a look at some of the reviews to find out if this is something that you might be interested in. But as far as proceeding from here, then you can see for yourself that in order to do so, you are going to need that subscription. And so there is that barrier of entry. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.